What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is a-dilla, man. If it's your first time on my page, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you guys like the video. This video is specifically about how do you install a ZL1 rear diffuser. Now, in this video, as I mentioned in the description, this is not going to be a video where I show you exactly how you do the install, because I actually already had the ZL1 rear diffuser already installed in my Camaro. But 3 months ago, I got into an accident. If you haven't watched any of my videos, you can go back a couple of videos and you'll see exactly what happened when a drunk driver hits your car. Not fun. But I am super excited to have Prime back with me now. As you can see in the background, he's back there just hanging out. What I wanted to show you guys was a template. This video is basically about the template and how it makes it really simple for you guys, for the people out there that might have single tips in the back of their car and they want to do quad tips. And so they always message me, you guys always message me, say, yo, Dilla, where you get that from? How to do that install? How long does it take? Because what happens is, on the side of your bumper, if it's not a ZL1 bumper, just like mine wasn't a ZL1 bumper, rear bumper, it has little slots on the side of the bumper where the rear diffuser snaps into place and pushes in from the back as well. So that way it just all pops into place, and then you put your little clips inside from the inside of the bumper and it seals it to hold it nice and tight, and then you'll be good to go. The thing is, what makes it really challenging is the fact that to do that install is really hard, because to line up those little tabs and then make the marks yourself and then use a little Dremel and slice into it makes it kind of challenging and scary at the same time, man. Because if you mess up, forget about it, it's over with. You know what I'm saying? You might either need to get that prepped and fixed, or you might need a new bumper. You know what I mean? So whichever route you go. But gen5diy.com, I'll make sure I leave the link in the description down below. They have a template and it costs 16 bucks for the template. When you get it, it makes your life a million times easier. I'm gonna do my best as much as I can to get back there with the car and use it. I'll put the template on the bumper, I'll tape it on there, and that way you guys can get an idea of what I mean, and then I'll walk you through the steps on what you should be doing and where you're gonna be marked. Well, it's gonna be pre-marked. Excuse me, it's gonna be pre-marked, and then that's where you go ahead and slice with a little Dremel. You take that little template off, and then the kit will pop right on. Give me 1 second. Let's go take a walk. Alright, guys, so this is the box that it came in. I'm gonna go ahead and try to slice this with one hand while I'm holding the camera with the other hand. There we go. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Alright, you guys, and this, you don't need that anymore, is the template right here. Right there. See that, you guys? It's got little marks on it, little slots. You just tape it. This says driver's side, do first. You put it on the side, of the bumper, and it'll show everything just fine. Let me show you guys what I mean. Alright, you guys, as you can see here, what you want to do is you want to tape it from the end right here. You guys see that, how it's lined up right there in the edge, and then all the way down under it as well. Make it perfectly straight line on the bottom, and you can't mess up, because on this side it just goes all the way to the edge. You see that? All the way to the edge right there. So obviously it would be completely taped down, and then what you would want to do from there is, don't tape it too hard, because when you peel this off, you want to make sure that you still have these lines right here. Because what's going to happen is, once you have it kind of taped up nice and just simple, you're going to follow these slots. So these little slots right here, you're going to follow them. You're going to slice right through here, right through here, right through here, right through there, so on and so forth. Then when you remove this, when you take this off, what's going to happen is you're going to have little marks right here. That's what you're going to have. Once you have those little marks set up, that's exactly where your rear diffuser for the ZL1 is just going to snap into place right here on the side. It's going to snap right in, it'll pop right on, and then obviously back here it'll clip back on. Boom, sides, and then inside you put those little pins. They're like a little triangle shaped little clips. You pop them in, and it'll secure these so they don't pop back out like with the wind or anything like that. And that's it. Well, guys, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, make sure you guys just leave them down below in the comments section. Let me know if anything else pops up. In the meantime, between time, I'll holla at y'all later. Bye.